Good morning, my prince. Here are your favorite fluffy pancakes with fresh orange juice.
Yay! Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
You deserve the world, my sweet boy.
Lily, there's bread on the counter. You can make your own tea. I'm busy with Max.
Okay, I'll manage.
Eat well, son. Today I'll take you to buy new toys after school.
Every morning it's the same, but she never even looks at me like that.
Lily, finish cleaning the living room and wash all the dishes properly. Don't leave any mess.
Mom, can we play together?
Of course, my love. You just relax and play. Lily will handle the work.
Sophia, can I also rest a little after this?
You're older, Lily. You should help more. Max is still small.
I do everything, but I never get any love in return. Dad, Sophia doesn't love me at all. She only cares about Max. She gives him everything and treats me like a maid. She gives him everything and treats me like a maid.
Lily, please try to understand. Sophia is trying her best. Don't make trouble, my dear. We are one family now.
But Dad, it hurts every day. Even Dad doesn't believe me. My stepmom hates me. She only loves her own son, Max. I feel so alone at home. That's so unfair, Lily. You don't deserve that. I miss my real mom so much. Lily, I really hope things get better for you at home and that your mom starts treating you better. I just wish my stepmom could love me the same way she loves Max. Mom, why did you leave me? Now no one loves me. Sophia says I'm not her real daughter. Every night I ask the same question. Why does everyone love Max but not me? Max? What did you do? That's my favorite doll from Mom. I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I didn't mean to break it.
Stop blaming Max. It's just a toy. Don't make a big deal.
It was not just a toy.
You are not my real daughter. Stop complaining all the time.
I miss Mom. Lily, I really didn't mean to break it. But it was very special to me.
Enough, Lily. Stop overreacting about everything. Just leave it and go to your room.
I'm really sorry, Lily.
Oh no, the gas! I can't breathe!
Mommy! Mommy! Wake up! Please! Sophia. No! What do I do? I have to be brave. I can't lose her too. Hello? Please send ambulance fast. My stepmom can't breathe. There was a fire and gas leak. Hurry! Sophia, please hold on. Help is coming.
Lily, you saved me. After everything I did to you, why did you risk your life for me?
Because you are still my family, Sophia. I already lost one mom. I didn't want to lose another.
I was so wrong, Lily. I was jealous of your real mother. I thought if I loved you, I would lose Max's love. I am so sorry. You are a brave and kind girl. From today, you are my daughter too. I love you.
I am so proud of you, my brave daughter. I should have listened to you earlier. I love you so much.
Dad, it's okay. I just wanted us to be a happy family again. Sorry, Lily, and thank you for saving Mom.
It's okay, Max. I know you didn't mean it. We're family, and we take care of each other.
Lily, come sit beside me. I made your favorite pasta today. From now on, things will be different.
Lily, eat with me. I'll share my dessert too. I didn't think things could change like this.
I was wrong before, but I want to fix things now.
Now I have a complete family again. Sometimes people make mistakes out of fear or jealousy. But kindness and forgiveness can change everything. Family means loving each other, even when it is difficult.
Subscribe now for more loving family stories.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like this video and subscribe now! Subscribe for more amazing and interesting stories.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.